The oxygen molecule is paramagnetic. It can be explained by A. Resonance, B. Hybridization, C. Valence bond theory, D. Molecular orbital theory. Answer is molecular orbital theory. Polymerization product of propyne is A. Benzene, B. Ethyl benzene, C. Propyl benzene, D. Mesethylene. Answer is mesethylene. Ethylene bromide on treatment with zinc gives A. Alkyne, B. Alkene, C. Alkane, D. All of the above. Answer is alkene. Bayer's reagent is used to detect A. Glucose, B. Double bonds, C. Oxidation, D. Reduction. Answer is double bonds. With a rise in temperature, the resistance of semiconductors A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. First increase and then decrease, D. Remains constant. And the answer is decreases. The element with the highest conductivity is A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Platinum. Answer is silver. The resistance of a conductor varies inversely as A. Length, B. Area of cross section, C. Temperature, D. Resistivity. Answer is area of cross section. Alkanes undergo halogenation. It is an example of A. Nucleophilic substitution, B. Elimination, C. Free radical substitution, D. Electrophilic substitution. Answer is free radical substitution. The energy released in the form of nuclear radiation in addition to heat and light during nuclear reaction is known as A. Chemical energy, B. Nuclear energy, C. Heat energy, D. Electrical energy. And the answer is nuclear energy. In the process of rubbing hands, mechanical energy is converted into A. Sound energy, B. Electrical energy, C. Thermal energy, D. Heat energy. Answer is thermal energy. In the exothermic reaction, the enthalpy of reaction is always A. 0, B. Positive, C. Negative, D. None of these. Answer is negative. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a body through 1 degree Celsius is called its A. Molar heat, B. Specific heat, C. Entropy, D. Thermal capacity. Answer is specific heat. Which of the following factor affects the heat of reaction based on Kirchhoff equation? A. Molecularity, B. Temperature, C. Pressure, D. Volume. And the answer is temperature. A thermodynamic process where no heat is exchanged with the surroundings is A. Isothermal, B. Adiabatic, C. Isobaric, D. Isotropic. Answer is adiabatic. Hess' law states that a chemical reaction is independent of the route by which chemical reaction takes place while keeping the same A. Initial conditions only, B. Final conditions only, C. Mid conditions, D. Initial and final conditions. Answer is initial and final conditions. When acids react with metal oxide, it produces A. Water and salt, B. Salts and hydrogen gas, C. Salts only, D. No reaction takes place. And the answer is water and salt. The acid used for the manufacture of fertilizers and explosives is A. Nitric acid, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Phosphoric acid, D. Hydrochloric acid. Answer is nitric acid. When milk of magnesia reacts with acetic acid, it produces A. Basic salts, B. Acidic salts, C. Neutral salts, D. Complex salts. Answer is neutral salts. Paraffin wax is A. Saturated hydrocarbons, B. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, C. Alcohol, D. Ester. Answer is saturated hydrocarbons.